everyone, it's Marla, Independent 31 Gifts Consultant. I have little Carrie caddies. Look how stinking cute these Halloween themed caddies are. Okay, so here's the deal. We have lots of different patterns and different caddies available all season long. We have them great decorations for your house if you're into more traditional refined look. But if you're into decorating for the different seasons like Halloween, Thanksgiving, even over the winter, Christmas or Hanukkah, if you are into decorating or gifting, these little caddies make great accents to your home and to your hands. Let's take a look at them really quickly. So we've got a little monster here. Our green monster is able to have his little bolts move. Isn't that stinking cute? He's got a nice reinforced handle, lots of room for candy or gift storage. And then we have this cute little face right here. On the back side, you have a little pocket that springs open. And then when you're all done and the season's over, you can collapse it shut or pass it on. And let's look at our bat. Yes, he's batty, he's wacky, and he's upside down. His face is so stinking cute, and his feet move like this. And then we've got that same handle with an orange trim this time, the same ability to collapse shut when you're out and done, and that same nice little pocket. These little dudes are only here while supplies last or through the end of October. And then come November, you're going to have lots of other fun options. Actually, if I think about it, I believe right now we have a crossover time period where you can get our Halloween themed little caddies as well as our winter holidays available at the same exact time. So go to ilovebigbags143.com where you can look at all the caddies, big, small, and all fun in different characters, as well as the ones that are just year-round for your home. If you have any questions, send me a comment below. I'll talk to you later.